in this video we will be having a discussion regarding the Akeneo Notification Manager plugin. By using this plugin, the admin can create email notifications regarding the actions such as update and delete of the products, families, groups and attributes. The user and user groups will get an email notifications. Also, by using this plugin, the admin can assign role to the user so that they can manage the email notifications at their own end as well. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.wapcool.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog section, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. So let's have a detailed discussion regarding this plugin in the further slides of this video, and before proceeding ahead, I would request you to please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon button to get more updates. So let me take you to the back end of Akeneo there. Now, as you can see, I have successfully logged into the back end of Akeneo there. So let's have a detailed discussion regarding the workflow of the Akeneo Notification Manager plugin. As you can see, I am on the back end of Akeneo there, and you will find this notification inside the left navigation of your back end. And before proceeding ahead, you need to create the users and user groups as well. And for that, you need to navigate into the left navigation, and here you will find an option of systems, and here you will get the options to create users and user groups as well. And along with that, you can also assign the permissions inside the role section of that particular user management navigation. So as here you can see, you will find an options to create users, and from here you can create users, and next you are having an option of user groups. You can also create user groups from there, and you can assign multiple users to that particular user groups. And next we do have an option of roles. From here you can assign the roles. As I have created multiple users and I am going inside a user, and here you will get an option of permissions, from where you can check that mark like what permissions you want to provide to your users and user groups as well. After providing the required information, you just need to tap over the save option, and accordingly these permissions or role will be assigned to those particular users. So now we are moving ahead with the notification plugin. So for that, you need to navigate into the left navigation again, and here you will find an option of notification. You just need to tap over that particular option, and accordingly a new screen will comes up where you will find a complete documentation along with the configuration section as well. So moving ahead, you want to create, like if you want to create your new notification, then you just need to tap over that particular option. As I have already created two notifications over here, so I am disabling those for the time being, and I am creating a new notification here. For new one, you need to tap over the create notification option, and along after that you need to provide the required information, like as I am creating a new notification, that is attribute delete. Next I need to choose an action over here, like as you can see a drop down will be here along with all the actions. As here I am going to show you the notification regarding the attribute delete, so I am taking this up over here. Now next you will find an option of user groups. From here you can select the user groups. This is something like you are selecting this user groups here, so these user groups will get an email notification regarding the actions performed over here, like attribute delete, families, products and etc., which you are choosing. So here I am selecting a group as well, as I have selected one of the group. Now next you can select the particular user as well, as here I am also selected a particular user. Now here you can provide the content, like what content you want to display over the email notifications. As I am writing here the content, as you can see, I have also write a message regarding the content. Now after that you need to tap over the save option and a new notification will be successfully created and you will get a pop-up as well. Now this way you can create multiple notifications. Now let's have a look like how that particular email notification will be sent to the particular user or user groups as well. So for this I need to perform an action over here. Now as I have chosen the particular action, that is attribute delete, so I am going to delete a particular attribute over here. Accordingly that particular user will get an email notification. So let's have a look over there. So for this you need to navigate into the settings and here you will find an option of attributes. You need to tap over there and accordingly a complete list will appear over the screen. So as I am going to delete a particular attribute over here, you need to follow the process for deleting a particular attribute. Now after that you need to tap over the delete option and accordingly once an attribute is deleted then you will get a pop-up as well like attribute successfully removed. So let's have a look like how user will get that particular email notification. So as here you can see that particular email will be sent out to that particular user as well. The attribute is deleted. This way you can create multiple notifications and accordingly you can send the email notifications to the particular users or user groups as well. So that's all about the Akeneo Notification Manager plugin. This way you can manage the email notifications from the backend itself. If still you are having any kind of concern or queries, you can reach us at support@webcool.com or you can also raise a ticket from webcool.uvdesk.com. I hope you liked our video. If so, then please give us a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching out this video today. Have a great day ahead.